Is it time to buy or sell NITO Inc stock? In this video, we are diving deep into NITO Inc. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 5th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 2nd of May, 2025, our system has categorized NITO Inc as a hold, accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Over this period, the stock has surpassed our expectations, achieving a gain of 140.28% since we first suggested purchasing NITO Inc just 2 days ago. This results in an average return of 70.14% per day since it was designated as hold, accumulate. A score of 0 suggests that our system foresees significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's next direction, as it could move in either direction. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential negative change of nearly 48.89% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 95.95% to negative 48.89%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of negative 6.69%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between negative 86.58% and 253.90% over the coming year. This would translate to a future price estimated to be between 9.12 cents and $2.41. Our latest daily update for NITO Inc includes the headline, Volatile Ride for NITO Inc stock price on Monday, moving between 471 and 840 cents. The NITO Inc stock price gained 140.28% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 5th of May, 2025, rising from 283 cents to 680 cents. It has now experienced gains for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to climb or takes a brief pause in the coming days. On the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 78.08%, with a low of 471 cents and a high of 840 cents. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 234.98% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume also increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 523 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 597 million shares changed hands for approximately $406,002,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $3.48, while the lowest was 16.1 cents. Currently, the price is 80.46% or $2.80 below the 52-week high, and 98.58% or $47.20 below the all-time high reached on the 12th of August, 2022, when the price peaked at $47.88. NITO Inc, trading under the symbol NITO, has been making significant strides recently, highlighted by promising developments in the renewable energy sector. On the 8th of April, a new regulation in Germany enhances grid infrastructure's capabilities, allowing NITO Inc to maximize its investment opportunities through expanded battery storage systems and its renewable energy sites. This regulatory change could provide a substantial boost to NITO's operational efficiency and profitability, positively influencing its stock price in the short term. Earlier in March, NITO Inc signed a non-binding letter of intent for 4 large-scale battery storage projects in Italy, targeting 380 megawatts, coupled with a definitive agreement to commercialize 196 megawatts of battery storage projects across Germany and Italy. These moves showcase the company's expanding footprint in battery energy storage, a sector poised for growth as global demand for renewable energy solutions surges. Moreover, N2 Off recently established a U.S. subsidiary to enhance its solar operations, signaling a strategic push into the American market that could yield long-term benefits. The company also continues to diversify by acquiring NITO Bio, a biotech firm focusing on drug discovery. This acquisition not only strengthens N2 Off's portfolio, but could also attract diverse investor interest. These developments collectively present a robust case for NITO's stock performance, with both short-term catalysts in evolving regulations and long-term growth prospects through strategic investments and diversification. As the clean tech market expands, N2 Off appears well-positioned to capitalize, likely resulting in positive movement for its stock price as investor confidence builds. Analysts have assigned the N2 Off stock a general sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock with a strong sell designation. The following signals have been identified for N2 Off. The N2 Off Incorporated stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal due to the short-term average being above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is anticipated at levels of 309,000 and 256 thousandths. A drop below any of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Monday, April 21st, 2025, and thus far, the stock has increased by 234.98%. Further gains are expected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 94 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 2 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 39 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for N2 Off. N2 Off Incorporated identifies support from accumulated volume at $0.675. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits significant movement throughout the day, demonstrating volatility. With a large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $0.368 between its high and low points, which represents a change of 78.08%. In the preceding week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 38.92%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for N2 Off, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric indicates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio signifies that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to external factors. However, when negative PE ratios persist, it may indicate insufficient profit and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 21st of May, 2025. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for N2 Off. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for N2 Off is at 0.712. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, N2 Off encounters its first support level at 0.675. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for N2OFF from various analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 23rd of December, 2024, when Rosenblum Ronen made an insider purchase of 50,000 shares of restricted shares of common stock. Our recommended stop loss is set at 0.658, representing a decline of 3.18%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. The 14-day Relative Strength Index, or RSI, stands at 91, further elevating that risk. However, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 10 days ago. Is N2OFF stock a good buy? N2OFF Inc. shows several positive signals. However, these alone do not make it a strong buy candidate. At its current level, it is better regarded as a hold candidate, meaning you may want to maintain or accumulate your position while awaiting further developments. After examining the volatility and trading movements from the previous day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 6th of May, we anticipate N2OFF to open lower by approximately 0.0169 and begin trading at approximately 0.663. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Do not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.